ChronoShiva, a great hope for humanity, but also a frightening unknown. Our mission was to make this place habitable. All the plans were flawless. At least that's what we thought. A team was sent to the surface, but we never heard from them again. At first, we thought it was a communication issue, but as time passed, we faced the reality that they were lost. And now it was my turn. My mission was clear: to descend to the surface of ChronoShiva and track the lost teams, to find out what happened to them. As I walked through the cold metal corridors of the station, I felt the weight of this mission on my shoulders. The preparation process was swift: protective suits, equipment, getting the ship ready for launch. Everything was routine. But when I boarded that ship, that moment was different.
Opening key.
Yet I couldn't escape the mission. I was advancing towards the pitch-black atmosphere of the gigantic planet. Feeling the ship's vibrations, it seemed like it could fall apart at any moment. But the worst happened right before entering the atmosphere. Something inexplicable occurred, and the ship went out of control. I tried to communicate. I called for help, but no one responded. The landing was uncontrolled. I experienced a hard crash. The next moment, when I opened my eyes, I found myself inside the suit. There was no one. Silence and solitude. This is where my story began. Coordinates. It corresponds to the double D 4528 area. Such a powerful energy source hasn't been detected before. There's a significant fluctuation in the spectrum. This doesn't resemble known anomaly. took a long time. What do you hope to find in solitude?
Who is there? Is there really a voice on an abandoned planet where no one is?
You're here because you've always been here. You think you've arrived, but you were always here. There is no one here but you.
What do you mean? I came here due to an anomaly alert. To reach a source.
To reach a source? But which source? Which reality? What have you been seeking in solitude for years at this station? A salvation or finding yourself?
I'm just doing the job I was assigned. I'm looking for a way out of here.
Really? So what do you think kept you waiting here for so long? Is it just a mission? Or a deeper desire to understand who you truly are? Everything you seek outside is hidden within.
I thought I knew who I was, a researcher, an explorer, but now this loneliness, this emptiness.
You are not alone. Know that the source of everything is within you. Are you ready to delve into your own depths? Are you brave enough to face your own darkness and light?
Darkness and light. If I am both, which one should I believe? Which one should I follow?
The true quest lies in understanding that both exist together. Light and darkness, past and future. On this path, you must look in both directions.
But what if I get lost? What if I can't find my light?
Even when you think you're lost, you're closer to yourself. Darkness doesn't distance you from your essence. With every step, you draw closer to yourself.
Then show me the way. Tell me where I should look to find the source.
The path is always within you. Everything outside is a reflection of the parts within you. If you pass through this door, you will embark not only on a physical exploration, but also a spiritual one.
Whatever the unknown that awaits me, I am ready. For years I have been searching for another meaning in this loneliness. Now, I am determined to find it.
So come, guide only yourself. Listen to yourself with every step. Remember, at the end of your search, the only thing you will encounter is yourself. You are a reflection of the endless loop at the end of the path.
I was advancing towards the pitch-black atmosphere of the gigantic planet. Feeling the ship's vibrations, it seemed like it could fall apart at any moment. But the worst happened right before entering the atmosphere. Something inexplicable occurred, and the ship went out of control. I tried to communicate. I called for help, but no one responded. The landing was uncontrolled. I experienced a hard crash. The next moment, when I opened my eyes, I found myself inside the suit. There was no one. Silence and solitude. This is where my story